children. How are you all? All are safe and sound, right? Good. You all know, children, what problem we all are facing. So please don't go out of your house, okay? Wash your hands again and again when necessary. Wear mask when you go out, and also help your mummy at your home. Okay, my dear children, today actually I will show you the germination of seeds, right? But in a very different way. We will make a showpiece. Yes. So first of all, you take a potato, right, and wash it properly. Yes. Then, children, this potato, and you have to wash it and clean it. And please, my dear children, don't use knife. Okay, you have to take help of your mummy, right? So take the potato and the top part, what you will do, you cut it like this, right? This, fine. You have to make a hole like this. You have to remove from the between, right? Like this you have to remove. So remove it properly like this. Yes, children, right? So you have to make a hole in between, right? Not so deep, this much, right? Then take little cotton, right? This much. Okay, take cotton, put it inside it. Yes. Then you have to sprinkle some water. See, you have to sprinkle some water, and then you have to take some mustard seeds, 10 or 15, right, and put it on this. See, I'll show you in the camera how it is. Yes, so put it, and you have to keep it for 2-3 days, right? And then let us see. So after 2-3 days, you wait, okay? Patience. Every day what you have to do, you sprinkle water. The day 2, okay? Then the next day you have to again sprinkle. So after 4-5 days, you will see a beautiful hair grown on Mr. Potato. Shall I show you? Yes, see. Yes. So now you can keep a cap of the bottle or something. Just now I am having this. I am putting in this. Alright. Now what you will do, my dear students, you know mummy is putting bindi right here on her forehead. So you take the bindi. I'll make some, this Mr. Potato very beautiful, right? So nothing is there. So we will do makeup, right? So I am giving it eyes. Right, 2 eyes. Then we will keep a smiling face. So this is clove. I don't have anything, so I am using the cloves. Cloves means loving, we can say, right? So in Gujarati. So I am pressing it here. So you can put 5-6, it's okay. Okay, for the teeth, we will make it a smiling face. Fine. So my dear students, now see our Mr. Potato. We will put a nose also, okay? Because nothing is there. See, so you will see Mr. Potato in a smiling face. This you can keep for 4-5 days and then the potato will be rotten, so you can throw it. Fine. So see my dear children, how Mr. Potato is looking so beautiful with smiling face, right? So you will try at home my dear children, okay? It will look very nice and you will learn that how the seeds germinate, how it grows in a cotton, alright? So bye bye, take care, stay safe. Bye bye children.